Many know chicory as an edible plant or coffee substitute, but the roots of this plant are a gold mine of healthy fibers. That's why a group of scientists are trying to create new varieties through small changes to its DNA. Chicory is a strong and robust crop which has been cultivated as far back as 5,000 years ago by Egyptians for its medical properties. Nowadays it's used in the commercial production of inulin, which is extracted from its roots and added to food products as a dietary fiber and sweetener. Inulin also works as a prebiotic and has beneficial effects on our gut and immune system. Researchers at the University of Wageningen, Netherlands, are exploring new potentials of this plant through other chicory root compounds.
Actually, we think it's a kind of a biological factory, which can make all types of compounds, all types of health-related compounds, so medicines and food fibers that are good for your health. What is less known about chicory root is about the terpenes, they are called, that are in here. It's not known, but many of the terpenes in nature are medicines. So we want to check whether the terpenes in chicory are also medicines and whether we can boost the expression of these terpenes, of these medicines in the roots.
For the time being, it is only the food fibers that are extracted. Terpenes are removed because of their bitter taste. The goal of Chick's European research project is to boost and fully use these healthy elements by developing new varieties of chicory with specific properties. Scientists are developing new plant breeding techniques based on small changes in the genome of chicory.
The idea is that we do genetic modification of these plants, and after that we stimulate the plants to start making first the leaves and then later the root tissue.
This modification technique is called CRISPR, and it is widely used in agriculture and human medicine. Instead of introducing foreign genetic material like in genetic modification, here there are only modifications of the original genome of the organism. The project has received the support of a company specialized in crop improvement by molecular breeding.
We're not adding anything, we're just mutating or changing small parts of the plant's DNA to produce a plant which has beneficial properties or characteristics. And this is just a modern way of doing this. These kind of mutagenesis techniques have been around for a long time, but the new technologies allow us to do this in a much more precise and quicker way.
For researchers, the next steps will be checking the DNA of the plants in order to see if the genetic modification has been successful, and to analyze the quality of the terpene compounds produced once the roots have grown.
I envision is that we have, instead of one chicory variety, we have 20, from which the farmer can choose in what he sees in the market, what is needed, more antibiotics, more food fibers. He can grow it, and then from it, the products can be extracted.
The potential uses of this product extracted from chicory roots is huge. Whether for antibiotics, skin cream, or a natural food preservative, the last stage before its commercialization will be the development of a terpene extraction procedure.